Everyone, let's go to 10 here. Yeah, so I'm going to be looking at Rubik's Cubes through the ages. In case you guys don't know, I like Rubik's Cubes. It looks much better on camera than it does in real life. Okay, but, you know, first we're going to start where it all began. The original 3x3. It looks awful. It is one from, you know, the 80s. What we can really do on this thing is wrist turns. Don't tell me to do solve on this thing. Because one, I don't know how to solve a 3x3, and two, I just won't. No finger tricks allowed. No. Well, it's slightly misaligned. Finger tricks are not allowed. No. We don't talk about finger tricks. Yeah, the only thing you can do on this thing is wrist turns, so turning wise 0 out of 10, because even back then, when I first got this cube, I knew it was bad. Because I may or may not have been spoiled. We'll get on to that. Yeah, that is 0 out of 10 for turning. For colors, really good. I'm not really the one for stickerless cubes. I'm not going to turn this thing into a dummy cube, because it's not good enough. Yeah, I have taken the stickers off, put them back on again. Sticker quality is really nice. They don't like to be taken off and put back on again. It sounds exactly like my 2x2. Huh. I mean, it's using the same kind of core. Why do I keep trying to turn it? I had a raspberry mark in this thing. But yeah, I like the logo, so I am going to resticker this thing, but I'm going to be keeping that logo. Next on is your cheap, Dollar Tree, Rubik's Cube. Oh, that is so much better. That is 100 times better. Still binds. I can do an algorithm though. What? I could do a solve on this thing. If I were going to throw that to me, I'll be like, I cannot solve that. And if I were to throw me out, I was like, I won't solve that. Between the two, both are stickered cubes. I've also taken the stickers off this one. This one actually came in a period box from my sister's. I kind of body linked it because it's a piece of trash. This one uses a ball core. This one uses your standard core. You know, your pillars. Yeah, I can show you on the speed cube, but yeah, I wouldn't mind doing a solve on this. Will I use it for competition? No. Just no. It's a piece of shit. I might replace stickers on it. I want to keep my cubes in good. This one I probably would turn into a dummy cube. Don't do that now. I'll do it after the video. Wheel filling. Okay, and to prize my collection. Yeah, there's a cube. Oh! Oh, that is so much better. This I could do a solve on. This I could definitely do solve on. And it's what I have been trying to solve. Because I'm not dealing with that. Definitely not dealing with that. I literally just found this on my shelf. Which is over there. It's where Maine is pointing at. It's pointing at my shelf. But overall, this cube is 20 times better. I can actually do algorithms. Sometimes I do them too fast. And I accidentally do like when I'm trying to do an R, when I'm trying to do an up, I'll do an R prime. Still trying to get some lube for it. Yeah. Oh yeah, stickers on this shit. It's like a Dollar Tree cube. I can go to Dollar Tree and get a better cube. But yeah, this is the prize jewel in my collection. It is a speed cube. Insert Rubik's Cube sounds here. I solved it. I'm so smart. Ooh, water. I can't remember where Homestead is. Yeah. Do videos over the weekends. That sounds pretty nice. To studio over till I post the next video, which I just neglected to start the editing on again. But yeah, if my ranking on these cubes, speed cube, no Dwight's going on top, followed by like the cheap Dollar Tree cube, followed by an official brand Rubik's from the 80s Rubik's Cube. I hate this thing's guts. Could probably use some lube. I might lube it. I'll probably lube all these cubes when I get lube, but this thing, if I lost it again, I would be disappointed. Overall, least favorite, passable. This is the first cube I grabbed. Anyways, we're approaching the 10-minute mark, and bye.